Personal Finance Crash Course, Behavioral Finance and Psychology of Money. Introduction. Money, a powerful force that influences our lives. But our behavior around it is full of surprise. In the world of finance, there's more than just numbers. The psychology of money, it truly encumbers. Chapter 1. The power of our minds. Our decisions and choices, often driven by emotion. Behavioral finance studies this intriguing notion. From cognitive biases to herd mentality, our minds shape our financial reality. Example story: the tale of impulse buying. Sarah, a shopaholic with an insatiable desire, falls victim to impulse buying, her finances on fire. Driven by instant gratification and the thrill of the chase, she fails to save and invest, a financial misplace. Chapter 2. The role of anchoring and framing. Anchoring biases and framing effects, they play, influencing our perceptions in a significant way. From sale prices to market fluctuations, we make choices based on these mental creations. Example story: John's investment journey. John, a novice investor with little experience, falls victim to anchoring bias, causing financial unease. He clings to a stock, hoping it will rise, ignoring warning signs and market's disguise. Chapter 3. The fear of loss and risk aversion. Loss aversion grips us, it's hard to deny. We fear losing money more than seeing it multiply. Risk aversion affects our investment decisions. Playing it safe, missing out on potential provisions. Example story: Emma's fear of stock market. Emma, a cautious investor, always plays it safe, avoiding the stock market, fearing its menacing face. Her fear of loss keeps her from taking a chance, missing out on opportunities to enhance. Chapter 4. Overconfidence and confirmation bias. Overconfidence leads us astray. We believe we're right, ignoring warning signs, confident in our financial sight. Confirmation bias reinforces our existing beliefs, ignoring contradicting information, like fallen autumn leaves. Example story: Michael, the overconfident trader. Michael, a self-proclaimed trading expert, blinded by overconfidence, his judgments overt. He trades recklessly, ignoring caution's plea, incurring losses, a painful financial decree. Chapter 5. Nudging and behavioral interventions. Nudges and interventions, they have their place, shaping our behavior, steering us with grace. From automatic enrollment to default options, they encourage positive financial adoptions. Example story: the success of automatic savings. Lucy, a spender by nature, found a way. Automatic savings nudged her to save every day. Without conscious effort, her wealth did grow. A testament to the power of nudges, a financial glow. Top 12 techniques of behavioral finance and psychology of money. 1. Framing and reframing. 2. Loss aversion awareness. 3. Setting specific financial goals. 4. Mindful spending and budgeting. 5. Delayed gratification. 6. Building positive money habits. 7. Seeking financial education and knowledge. 8. Embracing diversity in investment portfolios. 9. Emotional self-control and impulse management. 10. Seeking professional financial advice. 11. Utilizing technology and automation tools. 12. Continuous self-reflection and improvement. Summarizing the writing. Understanding behavioral finance and the psychology of money. We delve into the intricacies of financial decision-making. Oh, so funny. From cognitive biases to the fear of loss, our minds influence our financial path across. So let us learn from these insights profound, and make better choices, with wisdom unbound. Behavioral finance teaches us to be aware of our biases and emotions, with utmost care. Poem. In the realm of finance, where money dances, behavioral finance offers insightful glances. Our minds and behaviors, a complex affair, shaping our financial journey, beyond compare. From impulse buying to anchoring's hold, psychological forces can be quite bold. Loss aversion, risk aversion, and overconfidence too. They shape our decisions, it's true. Nudging and interventions guide us on our way. steering behavior, leading us each day. Framing and reframing, setting goals in sight. We navigate the realm of finance, shining bright. So let us be mindful, aware of our mind. Making sound choices, leaving biases behind. In the world of money, let wisdom be our guide. A journey towards financial freedom, we'll stride. Song. Verse 1. In the world of finance, where choices are made, behavioral finance sheds light on the charade. Our minds and behaviors, they intertwine, shaping our financial path, for better or for worse. It's time. Chorus. Oh, the psychology of money, it holds great sway, influencing our decisions, day after day. From impulse buying to biases we hold. Let's unlock the secrets, break free from the mold. Verse 2. Anchoring and framing, they guide our view, shaping perceptions, skewing what's true. Loss aversion and risk, they make us shy. But with awareness, we can reach for the sky. Chorus. Oh, the psychology of money, it holds great sway, influencing our decisions, day after day. From impulse buying to biases we hold. Let's unlock the secrets, break free from the mold. Bridge. Nudges and interventions, they gently guide, helping us make choices with wisdom as our guide. Building habits, setting goals in sight, embracing diversity, shining in the light. Verse 3. So let's be mindful, aware of our mind. Seeking knowledge, leaving biases behind. With financial education and self-reflection too, we'll navigate the realm of finance, me and you. Chorus. Oh, the psychology of money, it holds great sway, influencing our decisions, day after day. From impulse buying to biases we hold. Let's unlock the secrets, break free from the mold. Outro. In the world of finance, where minds collide, behavioral finance is our trusted guide. With knowledge and awareness, we'll find our way towards financial success, each and every day. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.